Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a question that's been on the lips of many fans. What lipstick does Billie Eilish wear? If you've seen her bold, avant-garde looks, you know she's no stranger to statement-making beauty. And her lip color is often a key part of that edgy vibe. But what's the secret behind those dark, moody lips she often sports? Is it a custom shade or something everyone can get their hands on? Let's break it down. Billie Eilish's lip looks, particularly in recent years, lean toward rich, deep shades that mirror her unique aesthetic. She often opts for matte finishes that make a striking impact, but it's not just about the color, it's about the texture and the way she wears it. Billie's go-to lip colors come from some iconic brands that have embraced bold, rebellious hues. For a while, Billie was known to wear products from the brand Melt Cosmetics, specifically their ultra-pigmented lipsticks. One of her favorites? The deep, dark, almost black burgundy shades that create a striking contrast against her fair skin, making her lips the focal point of any look. While Billie's signature look leans toward darker tones, she's also been seen in unexpected, more neutral shades on occasion. But if you're after that Billie Eilish-inspired statement lip, go for something like Melt's Liquid Matte Lipstick in Bane, a perfect example of a color that's bold yet mysterious, just like Billie herself. Another brand she's been spotted wearing is MAC Cosmetics, where their retro matte liquid lip color in shades like Diva offers that deep, matte finish Billie loves. It's a shade that delivers a rich, high-impact lip that lasts throughout the day without budging. But here's the thing about Billie. Her beauty is as much about self-expression as it is about defying the norm. She's not afraid to break all the rules of beauty, which is why her lip choices are always unapologetically bold and often paired with a flawless, minimal makeup base. That contrast between her eyes and lips is something you can easily recreate. Ready to try it yourself? What's your go-to lip color for making a statement? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with more beauty tips, tricks, and insights, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. If you like this, we think you'll find the video coming up next just as interesting. It could help you nail that perfect makeup look. Thanks for stopping by Beautyistic.